Good morning and welcome to Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa. So we are back at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry with Deputy National Commissioner Shadrack Sibiya. And it's denials. Denials are flying. Who's saying what about Kat Matlala? So this week at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, something really stands out. Denials are flying left and right and center about Vusimuzi Kat Matlala, the guy who later got the 360 million SIPS contract. It's nothing new. We've seen it before in the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. The timeline mismatch at this point today is that SIPS officially awarded him the contract in June 2024. But we can see interactions between him and Shedrack from January to March 2024. So, what were they talking about? Because he had not been awarded the contract yet. So, number two, denials from the top brass Deputy National Commissioner Shadrack Sibiya has denied ever receiving any kickbacks or favors and saying he didn't know Matlala personally before the contract. Number three, we saw a conflicting testimony. Other testimonies at the commission paints a different picture. Some witnesses said in the past that Matlala was already interacting with senior officers and even making payments and gifts. There are also WhatsApp chats recording that suggest he had connections well before the contract was awarded. Other senior officers deny involvement. For example, I'll remind you. Do you remember police boss Sinona denied helping Matlala secure the contract, even though they had known each other? So Matlala's wider influence is that he wasn't just a tenderpreneur. And we know public reports and testimony show his influence went beyond contracts, including interactions with VIPs and allegedly supplying vehicles with special access features. So the big question remains, if Madala was just a service provider, why did he meet so many senior officials before he was awarded the contract? So the contrast, they deny it, but evidence keeps showing, and the commission is trying to uncover just that. So, with that being said, we are still watching, and this is after the tea break, and we want to hear what else our deputy commissioner is going to say to us, Shadrack Sibiya. With that being said, I will see you on the next one. God bless you and ciao.